G'day, David here from Out and About in the NT. Just doing a quick introduction video of a new member to the channel. I've had this Rodeo for about 12 months now, just haven't had time to do like a proper intro. So we have a 2002 TF Rodeo dual cab. It has the 2.8 turbo diesel 4JB1T engine in it. I picked it up in February last year from Melbourne with approximately 212,000 Ks on it. Looked like it'd been a one owner. It's completely stock, no canopy, no bull bar, just had a light bar attached to the plastic bumper. So in the 12 months that I've had it, put on the canopy, an old cheapo bull bar I found lying around, and some slightly better tyres, and that's about it. I'll start it up. It's currently got 224,000 Ks on the clock. It's quite neat inside. Yeah, fairly neat little vehicle for its age. As you can see there, it's got 320 something Ks on this engine. Anyone knows the 4JB1s, they're probably good for a good 450, 500, even more. As I said, El Cheapo bull bar that I found. Lights don't quite fit the indicators and that sort of stuff, so they do look a bit funny. I've been driving around up here, it's been very wet, so that's why it's a little bit muddy. Give them a bit of a rev. Canopy I picked up second hand in Mount Isa, and I had a mate cart it back on the back of his vehicle for me. Overall, pretty straight. Got a couple of little slight dings there and that sort of stuff, but overall, very straight little vehicle. Over the next coming months or so, I'll do a few more things to it, so I'll try and document, and yeah, stay tuned for any further updates on the 2002 Rodeo.